How to enable HDR effect on Rednote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to make your photos and content pop up with the vibrant colors and stunning details in Rednote app? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can enable HDR effect on the Rednote app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing first, open the Rednote app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And in this section, simply tap on the gear icon beside the profile button. And once you are here, simply tap on the general settings. And in the general settings section, simply scroll down and look for the option labeled HDR effect. Once you locate that option, simply toggle on that. And that's it. You have successfully enabled the HDR effect on the Rednote app. With this feature, your content will look now more vibrant and professional. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.